Alan Spector back with you and joined now by veteran Orlando attorney Tom Olson for Olson on Law, heard every Tuesday and Thursday at this time. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
Well, once again, this morning we're talking about wills, this time a very specific question. Tom, I know you prepare many, many wills for people. How often do your clients have children with alcohol or addiction issues?
Alan, it is quite common, and I suspect some of the listeners out there are dealing with this issue right now with their children, and I want them to know that they are not alone.
So when we're talking about wills, what's the concern when there are children with these problems, alcohol or addiction issues?
The parent is concerned that the child would squander their inheritance and use their inheritance to fuel their addictions.
So is there a way for the parent to plan for that?
Yeah, they can leave the child's share in trust so that it would be doled out to the child over their lifetime. The trustee could use that money to make sure the child has a place to live and that their basic daily needs are met out of the trust money.
Now, what if the child eventually and hopefully gets sober?
Yeah, the trustee would be allowed to turn that money over to the child if the trustee believes that the child is sober and will remain sober.
Now, if you have legal questions about this or anything else, Tom will be happy to answer them on the Olson on Law show. That is heard Saturdays at 10 a.m. here on News Radio WFLA Orlando. You can also catch the Zoom version of Tom and me on our social media platforms. Tom, thanks very much. We'll see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.